Dust in the air, it's bothering you, right? Not anymore. EzaVent eliminates the clothes lints, pet hair and finest dust particles in the air while your electrical dryer is running, providing fresh air and a healthy indoor environment. EzaVent also recirculates warm air from your dryer, keeping your home or garage warm during winter. With EzaVent, say goodbye to the dust and cold in your home or garage and spend more enjoyable time. Thanks to its easy use and durability, EzaVent is your new particle companion. Try EzaVent today and enjoy warmth and clean air in your home.